Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an active Azure subscription and sufficient role permissions. Once done, pick a region and create or choose a resource group. Now select an image, Ubuntu or Windows Server, and name the VM logically. Generate an SSH key pair or prepare a strong admin password, then plan network basics, virtual network, subnet, and a simple network security group rule. Begin the Create Virtual Machine wizard in the portal and enter these values to move forward. You now configure the VM size and storage for performance and cost. Pick a VM SKU that matches CPU and memory needs, check burst and sustain limits. Select OS disk type, premium SSD for I/O sensitive workloads, and attach additional data disks if required. Next, configure networking. Assign or create a public IP, attach a NIC, and set NSG inbound rules for SSH or RDP. Make sure accelerated networking or boot diagnostics are enabled if you need faster throughput or troubleshooting data. You review the summary carefully, enable Azure Monitor or boot diagnostics, and configure managed identity if required. Then click Create and monitor the deployment notifications. Once deployment succeeds, validate the VM boots and you can SSH or RDP in. If you cannot connect, check NSG rules, confirm the public IP and NIC association, and inspect NSG flow logs. As a key tip, use the serial console and boot diagnostics screenshot to diagnose boot or agent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.